For my how-to video, I'm going to be making Kraft mac and cheese. The materials you need are a saucepan, a quarter cup, a measuring cup, a strainer, and something to stir with. The ingredients you are going to need are 6 cups of water, 4 tablespoons of butter, a quarter cup of milk, and a little bit of salt to help the water boil. Next step is to boil the water. Step is to put the salt in. While your water is boiling, open up your mac and cheese box and take out the cheese packet. You don't want to accidentally boil this. Once your water is boiling, you want to pour in the macaroni. Set your timer to 7 to 8 minutes and stir constantly so the macaroni does not stick to the bottom of the pan. After your pasta is done cooking, you want to drain it. Add the butter next. Once your butter is melted, add the pasta. Stir the pasta around, mixing the butter. You're going to add the cheese and the milk. Now you're going to stir until everything is mixed together. Find some bowls and then pour in your mac and cheese. Season and bon appetit.